as I set out on a peaceful drive from Montreal to Magog. The road unfolded like a quiet escape. Lush greenery lined the way. The small mountains standing tall in the distance, creating a serene landscape. The trip itself felt like a breath of fresh air, with nature embracing me on all sides. When I reached the lake at Magog, its magical calmness drew me in. The gentle ripples of the water, the soft breeze, it was as though time slowed down, offering a moment of pure tranquility. It was a drive that felt like a quiet retreat for the soul.